Bedtime Story, Puppy Dreams, A Day's End in Doggieville. Welcome to the delightful world of Doggieville as the day winds down and the evening sky turns dusky. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the park, the barks quiet, the tails rest, and the pups prepare for bed. Doggieville slowly transitions into a peaceful night, each part of the vibrant scene ready for a well-deserved rest. Are you ready to explore the park and bid each dog a restful goodnight? Let's wander through Doggieville, whispering goodnights to the Poodles, the Dachshunds, and everything in between. Hello, Golden Retriever. The Golden Retriever, once fetching sticks, now rests quietly in the grass. Its fur is soft, and its eyes are gentle, waiting for the next game. Can you see the friendly wag? Let's pet the golden fur and whisper a loyal goodnight. Good night, Golden Retriever. Hello, Poodle. The Poodle, once prancing with elegance, now sits quietly by the fountain. Its curls are perfect, and its posture is proud, waiting for the next show. Shall we admire its grace and whisper a fancy goodnight? Good night, Poodle. Hello, Dachshund. The Dachshund, once digging with enthusiasm, now lies quietly in its cozy bed. Its body is long, and its legs are short, ready for the next adventure. Can we touch the smooth coat and whisper an adventurous goodnight? Good night, Dachshund. Hello, Labrador. The Labrador, once splashing in the water, now rests quietly by the pond. Its coat is sleek, and its spirit is lively, ready for the next swim. Shall we feel the wet fur and whisper a playful goodnight? Good night, Labrador. Hello, Beagle. The Beagle, once sniffing with curiosity, now sits quietly on the porch. Its nose is sharp, and its bark is cheerful, ready for the next scent. Can we scratch behind its ears and whisper a curious goodnight? Good night, Beagle. Hello, Bulldog. The Bulldog, once playing tug-of-war, now rests quietly by the fire. Its body is sturdy, and its face is wrinkled, ready for the next game. Shall we rub its belly and whisper a tough goodnight? Good night, Bulldog. Hello, Border Collie. The Border Collie, once herding with precision, now lies quietly by the gate. Its eyes are sharp, and its coat is thick, ready for the next task. Can we pat its head and whisper a clever goodnight? Good night, Border Collie. Hello, Chihuahua. The Chihuahua, once yapping with excitement, now rests quietly in its blanket. Its body is tiny, and its ears are big, ready for the next snuggle. Shall we hold it gently and whisper a cozy goodnight? Good night, Chihuahua. Hello, Great Dane. The Great Dane, once bounding with strength, now lies quietly in its large bed. Its stature is grand, and its heart is gentle, ready for the next romp. Can we hug its massive frame and whisper a gentle good night. Good night. All the elements of Doggieville now stand in quiet harmony. The excitement of the day replaced by the soft whispers of the night. The park echoes with the faint sounds of the evening, the playful barks of the day settling into the shadows. Now, it's your turn to rest, little dog lover. Dream of wagging tails and the fun that awaits. Good night, little friend. Good night, Doggieville.